learn, no one can help you. If you are willing to learn, no one can stop you. A glorious morning to respected principal, teachers, excellencies, parents and my dear friends. Today, we 10B got a precious opportunity to host today's morning assembly. Every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. We want to start our day with a prayer and finish it with a prayer. For that, I would like to welcome Elka and Thomas for prayer song. Welcome, Elka.
Jesus, Jesus, Jesus in the morning, Jesus in the noontime. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus when the sun goes down. Praise Him, praise Him. Praise Him in the morning, praise Him in the noontime. Praise Him, praise Him. Praise Him when the sun goes down. Love Him, love Him. Love Him in the morning, love Him in the noontime. Love Him, love Him. Love Him when the sun goes down. Serve Him, serve Him. Serve Him in the morning, serve Him in the noontime. Serve Him, serve Him, serve Him when the sun goes down.
Thank you, Elka. Let's is a way to aware our duties towards the nation. So I call Abhiram A. for pledge. Welcome, Abhiram.
Let's position. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elder respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Abhiram. Next I call Adityan A.R. for a welcome speech. Welcome, Adityan.
Warm good morning to one and all. Every day must be a day to learn something new. Today, the students of class 10B is going to conduct our school assembly. Now, I would like to welcome our dearest principal, Sister Linz Alekate, to this wonderful occasion. Welcome, Sister. Next, I would like to welcome our teachers who are always supporting and inspiring us. Welcome, teachers. Next, I would like to welcome our friends to this assembly. Welcome all. Thank you.
Thank you, Adityan. Updating ourselves is a never-ending habit and a good habit. It shows awareness towards our country, nation and society. Now, Arjun is ready to enlighten us with English news. Welcome, Arjun AM.
Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, a warm good morning to all. I am Arjun from Standard 10B. I am here to read today's English news. Today's news headlines. Center orders refund of lockdown air tickets. Delhi Metro resumes after 169 COVID hiatus. Army has contacted PLA through hotline on abductions. COVID-19. 94,000 fresh cases on Sunday, worst week of pandemic. At 66%, Andhra's literacy rate worse. Delhi second best at 89%. Next, sports. Novak Djokovic disqualified from US Open after hitting official with ball. Butler Stars would like be Australia by 6 wickets to clinch T20 series. IPL 2020. Mumbai Indians vs Chennai Super Kings in opener. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Arjun. Everything here in the mother tongue is more capable and suitable for us. Now I call Chinmaya MS for Malayalam News. Welcome, Chinmaya.
എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. ഇന്നത്തെ പ്രധാന വാർത്തകൾ വായിക്കുന്നത് 10ബിയിൽ നിന്നും ചിന്മയ. ആറന്മുളയിൽ കോവിഡ് ആംബുലൻസിൽ കിരാതം. സ്വർണ്ണക്കടത്ത് പിടിക്കാൻ ശ്രമിച്ച ഉദ്യോഗസ്ഥരെ കാറിടിച്ചു കൊല്ലാൻ ശ്രമം. മാർപോൾ ചിറ്റിലപ്പള്ളി കാലം ചെയ്തു. കേശവാനന്ദ ഭാരതിക്ക് നാടിന്റെ ശ്രദ്ധാഞ്ജലി. 3000 കടന്ന് കോവിഡ്. ഇന്ത്യയിൽ ഒറ്റ ദിവസം 9633 കോവിഡ് കേസ്. ലോകത്ത് ആദ്യം. മന്ത്രി തോമസ് ഐസക്കിന് കോവിഡ്. മഴ. അരുവിക്കര ഡാമിലെ ഷട്ടറുകൾ ഉയർത്തി. ന്യൂനമർദ്ദം. ഇന്ന് ശക്തമായ മഴ. സ്കൂൾ, കോളേജ്, സയൻസ് വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾക്ക് KVBY. പട്ടയഭൂമിയിൽ അനധികൃത നിർമ്മാണം. ഹൈക്കോടതി നിലപാടിനെതിരെ സർക്കാർ സുപ്രീം കോടതിയിൽ. കായികം. IPL ആദ്യ പോരാട്ടം മുംബൈ ചെന്നൈ. ഗ്രീസ്മാൻ കളഞ്ഞു. എംബപ്പെ നേടി. പൊരുതിക്കടന്ന് സെറീന ടീം. F1 ഗ്യാസ്ലിക്ക് അത്ഭുത ജയം. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Thank you, Chinmaya. Now I call Ardra VS for Thought for the Day, which enlighten and encourage and keep smiling us with a thought.
Marvelous morning to all. Today's thought is, successful and unsuccessful people do not vary greatly in their abilities. They vary in their desires to reach their potential. I repeat, successful and unsuccessful people do not vary greatly in their abilities. They vary in their desires to reach their potential. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Ardra. Bible quotation which help to lead our life in a right way. Now I call Austin Samuel Joy for Bible quotation. Welcome, Austin.
Today's Bible quotation. No need to be panicked because God will be right there with you. He will keep you safe and sound. Proverbs chapter 3 verses 26.
Thank you, Austin. Every day has its own importance. Today is World Literacy Day. Now I call Aditya MS to say a few words on the topic World Literacy Day. Welcome, Aditya MS. Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. Respected principal sister, teachers and my dear friends, good morning to all. Today I am here to give a speech on the topic World Literacy Day. With no boundaries or limitations, the only thing that can make you diamond from coal is education. There is nothing as powerful as education, and we should celebrate this day to revise the goals of distributing this power. Every year, the World Literacy Day is celebrated on September 8th. This year, UNESCO is celebrating the 51st anniversary of International Literacy Day with the quote, "Reading the past, writing the future." This day is celebrated all around the world to spread awareness about the importance of literacy to the individual, society and communities. UNESCO Director General Irina Bokova said, "The world has changed since 1966, but our determination over every woman and man with their opportunities, skills and capacities to become everything they wish in respect and dignity remains as firm as ever." Literacy is the foundation to build a more sustainable future for all. As per the report of the global monitoring, it has been observed that all among every 5 men and 2/3 women are illiterate. Hence, to increase the literacy rate, World Literacy Day is celebrated. The main purpose to celebrate the International Literacy Day is to encourage the people to know about their literacy so that they can know about their social and individual rights. We need food to be lived. We need literacy for social and personal development. Considering the immensely increased rate of poverty, uncontrollable population growth, gender inequality, etc., UNESCO has decided to celebrate this day with a goal to remove these problems. Eliminating them not only helps individual rights but also contributes to the overall growth of the nation. Literacy is not only the way to get employment, however, it encourages people to know about their rights and they can get what they deserve. Due to illiteracy, many people face humiliation every day. Moreover, their life is full of struggles. However, hence it is made to better a world, and it is used to make use of community resources for gaining information from local and school libraries. Literacy is of utmost importance. In the mission to spread literacy around the globe, RoboMed Plus has taken an initiative. It is India's largest video platform. It provides easy to understand and interactive video lectures. In this occasion, we pledge, we learn, we teach, we inspire atmosphere to make our future full of knowledge and success. Thank you. Thank you, Aditya. It's really nice. Now, Ashima is ready with Malayalam tongue twister, which is our mother language. Welcome, Ashima.
നമസ്കാരം, എൻ്റെ പേര് അഷിമ സുരേഷ്. ഇന്നത്തെ മലയാളം ടങ് ട്വിസ്റ്റർ. മനസ്സിലാകാത്തത് മനസ്സിലായി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ മനസ്സിലായത് കൂടി മനസ്സിലാകാതെ പോകും. മനസ്സിലായോ? ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി, മനസ്സിലാകാത്തത് മനസ്സിലായി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ മനസ്സിലായത് കൂടി മനസ്സിലാകാതെ പോകും. മനസ്സിലായോ? നന്ദി.
Thank you, Ashima. Pronunciation makes perfect in English. It helps in good fluency and pronunciation. Now I call Jeffin John for English tongue twister.
Good morning to all. Today's tongue twister is I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I repeat, I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. Thank you.
Thank you, Jeffin. Hindi is our national language. To hear tongue twister in Hindi, I welcome Sharatan. Welcome, Sharat.
Hello friends, today I am telling Hindi tongue twister. Today Hindi tongue twister is Kacha Papat Paka Papat. Kacha Papat Paka Papat. I repeat, Kacha Papat Paka Papat. Kacha Papat Paka Papat. Thank you, have a nice day, stay home, stay safe.
Sharat, physical exercises which help oneself fit and healthy. Now I welcome Aravind S for physical exercises. Welcome, Aravind.
Attention, standard is attention. Exercise number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, class change. Exercise number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, assembly, 4.
Thank you, Aravind. Gratitude is the way to express thanksgiving. Now I call Anu B for vote of thanks. Welcome, Anu.
Hi all, myself Anu. Today I am here to express my gratitude to each and everyone who had worked behind this assembly to make it best as possible. First of all, I thank our principal Sister Linz Alekal, who always supports us for each and every activities. Thank you, sister. Next, I would like to thank our class teacher Selen sir, who is the backbone of our class. Thank you, sir, for supporting us. Next, I would like to thank all the other teachers for their support and guidance for us. Thank you, teachers. At last, I would like to thank my dear friends for participating in this assembly and each one of you for cooperating with us. Thank you all.
See the power of all saints, be the strength of all saints. We are the love of all saints. We lift our hands and raise our hands. We are proud of all saints. Be the power of all saints. Be the strength of all saints. We are the love of all saints. We lift our hands and raise our hands. We are proud of all saints. We are all saints, all saints. We are all saints, all saints. We are all saints, we are all saints. We are proud of all saints. We all gather around and around. We all are united and pledge to wisdom, truth and peace.